In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to flip an image here in Canva. Now, this is incredibly easy to do, and once we have the image on the canvas, just like these, all we have to do is click onto that image, then we can come up to the toolbar just here and click on Flip. Now, from here, we have two different options. We can flip horizontal, just like that, or we can flip vertical. Now let's go ahead and put that just like this, and let's do that again on this one. So we click onto the image, we come up to the toolbar, we click on flip, and then choose whichever one that we want. But as you can see, that's just how easy it is to flip an image here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you want more helpful tutorials all about Canva, then click right here and watch this playlist.